Bautista trying to go in closely. On the side of the Bautista. Vino for three at the time short. Rebound taken out by Bautista. Moving down for the hook left-handed. Rebound taken out by Bautista. Intercepted by Bautista. Bautista. Binigay kay Lojero. Almost intercepted. Bautista managed to control the ball going out. Made the ball. Sibuk ang tank. Iba din ang kilos. Estilo. Performance nito si Bautista. Ball goes out for free short. Bautista. By Salvino, Badan, 14-7 ball around the baseline. It was given by Bautista. Ginugulo ni Salvino. Bautista, drive through, pasok, finger roll. Iba talaga ang power move na ipinamamanas ngayon ni Bautista. Eric again for three, this time bounce. Number 29. Bautista sees something moving down, goes all the way in the roll. Oh my gosh! Bautista now the penetrator, and of course, even though mismatch with Banyang